In this video, I'll show you how you can contact the live chat on Shopify. What you want to do is head over to your dashboard, so admin.shopify.com, click on your store and go to the Help Center. Once you're in the Help Center, if you want, you can speak with an AI, so you can ask it anything. But if you want to speak to a real person, what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom until you find contact support. If you click on this, it's gonna put contact support into the AI, and the AI will answer. We can connect you to a support advisor, but we might be able to ask your question more quickly here. So if you wanna ask the AI, you can just ask it. Otherwise, you can tell the AI, no, I wanna talk with a support advisor instead, and it's gonna redirect you to the support. So that is how it works, guys. You can also check through any of these if you have a question about these and just read them through. But if you have a very, very specific question, you can say here you want to speak to a support advisor and ask them the question. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.